Now that you have in mind the specific things you want to teach, this is a good time to think about how to teach them. Again, this goes back to who your adult learners are. They are self-directed, have their own experiences and skills, and know what they want to do. Therefore, the next step is matching up what you need to teach with methods that respect them as the professionals they are. Sometimes a combination of lecture and slides is the most efficient way to deliver information and makes the most sense. If you want to present basic details about a new state policy, that might be the best approach, at least to start. However, remember that you want to teach around what learners already know and what problems they are trying to solve in their own jobs. We try to apply this principle in this presentation today. Although we spent a few minutes outlining the principles of adult learning, most of our time has been spent giving you an opportunity to think through how you can use these principles to solve challenges in your own work settings. Beyond basic instruction, you can have adult learners identify opportunities for their clients and barriers to adopting a new practice, along with ways to overcome these barriers. For example, if you start by presenting a case study of another organization and how it implemented a new service, you might want to then engage your learners by asking how that service would help your clients, what aspects would work well, what challenges might occur, and how they could see adapting the service to fit their work environments. Teaching skills and giving learners a chance to practice them also are key parts of adult learning. You might want to take a sample case and work through a new form together, demonstrating proper use. Alternatively, you might want to model and discuss a coaching technique and give learners an opportunity to practice with each other. In my example, I might introduce the case study by sending it to the VR counselors to read in advance. If we were having a formal meeting, I might spend a few minutes presenting it myself. Next, I would highlight the parts that most relate to our organization and clients, which will help them relate it to their jobs and opportunities to serve our clients' needs better. Next, I would want to get concrete about what the actual skill is. When and how should it be done? What does that look like? Finally, I would build in a chance for the counselors to practice it with each other or me. Take a few minutes to go back to each learning point and think about the most effective way to help your learners take them in.